So do you also use MagicBricks to get more leads for your own real estate agency? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to create Salesforce leads from MagicBricks inquiries. So like you, I also use MagicBricks to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new inquiry or a lead from MagicBricks, I want to create a new lead, or you can say contact, in my Salesforce account, so that my sales team can follow up quickly and efficiently. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between MagicBricks and Salesforce, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between MagicBricks and Salesforce. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Connect. But before we move in further, I'll show you something very helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. So let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and over here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. But I'm an existing user, so let's click on this sign in, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps. So now we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly, but in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on this axis now given under Pabbly Connect, and now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect's account. And to get started, we have to click on this button which says create workflow. It is asking me to select the workflow builder, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want to try it and test it setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new one, so let's go on the select of the new workflow builder. For the workflow name, I'm going to keep it as create Salesforce leads from MagicBricks inquiries. Now we have to select the folder. I'm going to select the folder as automations. Alright, so if you wish to create a new folder, go on this create new folder button and create your own. After entering this workflow name and the folder, let's click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for MagicBricks. So let's search for MagicBricks over here and select it. For the event, we have to select new leads and click on this connect. You're going to receive this webhook URL, so you have to copy this webhook URL and give it to the account manager of your MagicBricks account, because MagicBricks doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out to your account manager or someone from the backend team of MagicBricks and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account, and once they add this webhook URL in your MagicBricks account, automatically the leads will be coming over here as the webhook response. Alright, so I have already added this URL in my MagicBricks account. So let's capture this webhook response, which is the lead details. And as you can see that we have successfully captured the lead details. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, requirement, email address and this city, which is the area. So yes, once we capture the lead details, automatically this workflow is going to get triggered in future. Now I'm going to create a new lead in Salesforce using the same details. So let's click on this add new action step. So now let's search for Salesforce. So I'm going to type Salesforce and select the action application as Salesforce. For the event, we have to select create lead and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Salesforce. You must keep in mind that your Salesforce account should be logged in prior starting to this automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your Salesforce account, and then only it is going to ask you for some permissions. And once it asks you for the permissions, you have to click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now one by one I'm going to enter all of these details. Now one by one I'm going to add these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one I'm going to map all the details which we have received from the response of our previous step or the details which are required. If you wish, you can definitely map the rest of the details too, but I'm only going to enter the details which are required and click on this save and send test request. Alright, if you wish, you can definitely map the rest of the details. Now once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received a positive response that we have successfully created a new lead in Salesforce. So let's open our Salesforce, go on this lead section and refresh it, and as you can see, a new lead has been created. So let's open this and I'm going to check for the details. You're going to see the company name, the lead's name, you're going to see the lead's phone number, the email address, and also I'm going to check for the city which we have added. So yes, you can see over here the city has also been added, which is Bhopal. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from MagicBricks, automatically the lead details will be added in Salesforce so that the team, which is my sales team, can follow up quickly and efficiently. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll add the workflow link of this workflow in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.